Hello everyone and welcome to Mr. B's short English lesson. In today's video I'm going to talk about reflexive pronouns. Reflexive pronouns refer back or reflect back to the subject of the sentence, like a mirror does. So this is why I'm going to use a mirror in my examples today, because when I stand in front of a mirror, I can see a person in the mirror, and the person in the mirror is me. So, in the mirror, I saw myself. I said that the reflexive pronoun refers to the subject of the sentence. The subject in this sentence is I, and myself is the reflexive pronoun, and myself refers back to the subject. In the next example, we have a woman standing in front of the mirror. So in the mirror, she saw herself. She is the subject of the sentence. Herself is the reflexive pronoun, and the reflexive pronoun, as before, reflects back to the subject of the sentence. Meaning, when we have a reflexive pronoun with a singular subject, like I, you, he, she, it, the reflexive pronouns are myself, yourself, himself, herself, or itself. So we always have this self ending. Next, we have to look at plural subjects like they. In the mirror, they saw themselves. So here, they is the subject of the sentence, and themselves would be the reflexive pronoun, which refers back to the subject of this sentence. You can see the difference when we have a plural reflexive pronoun, because we have a plural subject in the sentence. We need to have a different ending. For we get ourselves. For you, yourselves. For they, themselves, meaning we have this selves ending. When you want to sum it up, you have the reflexive pronouns here, with the self ending for the singular subjects and the selves ending for the plural subjects. There is one more thing you have to look at, and this is the difference between a reflexive pronoun and each other. To show you the difference, I have two pictures, and I think the difference in the picture is clear. In the first picture, you have two people taking a selfie, so they are taking a photo of themselves. And in the next picture, the two people are taking a photo too, but they are not taking the photo of themselves. They are taking the photo of each other. So take care here. There's a difference in meaning, and you have to pay attention to use the right form. But I hope I could tell you what reflexive pronouns are and what you have to pay attention to. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.